Welcome to the beautiful northwestern Estonia. It's summer, it's camping time, and I have raw salmon which needs cooking. It's been a while since my last video. I haven't abandoned you. Life's just been busy, but I'm back and better than ever. So first we're going to check out one of the cool places I saw on Google Maps, and then we're going to find a place to settle down and make a camp. The place where I'm going is actually a lake, but there's also a big peninsula on the lake which should be pretty interesting to see. I'm putting the name up on the screen right now because it's too weird to actually say it out loud in Estonian. Look at it, how beautiful. Yep, this is it. I'm surrounded by water on all three sides. I've been here before, now I remember, but it's really beautiful. I can imagine that it would be quite nice to actually camp out in here. To come out of the tent in the morning and jump straight in the water. It looks quite deep. Time's about 8 in the evening and I still have about 2.5 hours of sunlight left, which is quite a lot actually. Since it's summer, our sky pretty much stays light at all times. It doesn't get fully dark, which is quite a shame because there's a lot of sun activity right now. And if we had dark skies, we would probably see northern lights today, but yeah. I'm going to camp out in the beach somewhere. I'm not yet exactly sure where, but this is what we're going to find out now. That's a problem. This is where I should go, but the sign says no cars, no bonfires. I'm going to try and find another path there, but I'm not sure if the other one is accessible, or maybe it's, yeah, here's another sign that says cars prohibited. Well, I'm going to try and do what I can, but if the other road is also inaccessible, I might have to go to the official camping spots, and I'd like to avoid it. I like to wild camp, but yeah, let's see. This sign is a little bit more promising. It says accept local residents. I'm going to pretend that I am one. No harm done. No, a dead end sign. I'm going to pretend that it doesn't exist. No bonfires and no camping. What the f? I'm honestly at loss right now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. My plan was good, but the execution is lacking research. The sound of the sea, sun setting, I love it. This is the official campsite because I didn't want to risk it to go another wild place and then it's also forbidden to stay there and I waste valuable sunlight time. Fortunately, there's not many people at all. I'm pretty much alone, a couple of camper vans. I still have about an hour and 20 minutes maybe of sunshine left, but it's time to set up the camp. Tent's ready. It's a pop-up tent and just opens like that. Ready in seconds. But it's no good when it's raining. Right now I know for a fact that it's not going to, but if it does, then I'm soaked. And when you're sleeping alone, this is just perfect. It takes like no time at all. Absolutely amazing. I do have a fireplace here, but there's no wood or stuff to burn. All the area surrounding me are obviously picked clean. There's not a stick to see right now. I have to try, maybe I can find something, but at the moment yeah, I'm not so sure about the fire. But right now, do you know what I want to do?
About tomorrow, and it's okay. Baby, don't you know that it's over?
This is actually my reason for camping in the beach. This is the best part. I would sit here the remainder of the evening, but the fish isn't cooked itself, and my stomach is giving me signs that I need to eat something. So let's make that happen. Got them mosquitoes. So I have this cold smoked salmon, a good nice slice. So I'm trying to cut into the skin, and hopefully the skin cooks just as good, and this helps it to get evenly crispy. Okay, the mosquitoes are really starting to attack me now. This is fat and this helps me cook this fish, hopefully. Eating me on my back. It should melt really quickly. Already going, you can see that. Okay, pan is oily. Ooh. Putting heat on low, and the fish goes on. Salt and pepper. Barbecue sauce. Why do I have a barbecue sauce? I don't really need it, but hey, why not? You never know. The time is 10 minutes past 10 in the evening, and it's still so bright. I'm so glad it's summer. It feels so good, so damn good. The dark times are pretty hard in Estonia, but when it's summer, it's a never-ending daylight. It's so good. Let's see what's going on in here. Looks really good. I think I have to flip it. Wow. Easy now. That's really good, crispy skin. This is exactly what I wanted. Let's season this side too. Oh, it tilted a little bit too much. Yep. It's scary. I have to be really gentle here. I think it's ready. It's time to eat. I also have this beet salad. It should be quite good, I think. Let's see how the fish tastes. It's so good. Actually, the sunset is happening right now. I think I should go watch it. I can finish eating later. It's 10:30 in the evening. Still so bright. And it will get dark, but really slowly. And even then, it's not going to be full darkness. The sky will be blue all night, pretty much. Here we go again. I was wondering, what if I could get this bad boy going? Would be pretty nice and cozy, I think. But can I find any timber? Let's go and find out. That's a good find. Someone else has left it here. Some good loot here, but... Oh, it comes out of the ground. I thought it was fallen branch. It isn't. It's a live one. Not good for burning. I have walked about 200 meters from my campsite. There's literally nothing on the ground. Look at it. It's clean grass. No dead branches, nothing. This is the problem when camping near the official campsites. Everything's picked clean. Some dead branches here. Yeah, something. Now we're talking. Look at the colors of the moss. Green, purple. Wow. Again, branch going underground and resurfaces in here. What in the hell? Well, it's something at least. It's definitely not enough to have a large, sustained fire for long periods of time, but it will have to do. Now this is nice. This is bonfire I like. Now I'm gonna chillax for an hour or so, have some beer, watch the fire, the sky, and then I'm gonna hit the hay. This is quite as dark as it gets. It doesn't go much more than that. From somewhere around 2 at night it will start to get brighter again, or 2 in the morning. Americans say 2 in the morning. What the hell is this? 2 is definitely night for me, but yeah. But see you in the morning. I hope I will have a good night's sleep, at least. See ya. Look at that. These are the glowing night clouds. One of the rarest form of the clouds we have. Simply because these are one of the highest clouds. They can only be seen in the latitudes near where I am living, here in Estonia, at night, when the sun is just at the right angle as it is right now, and only be seen in the summer. And these clouds are not water vapor as most clouds are. These clouds are ice crystals really high up. Beautiful. This is the first time I see those this year or this season. Haven't seen them before. Good morning. Wow. Everything's full of ants. Time for the morning feast. Oatmeal with blueberries. 2 eggs, which needs roasting, and a banana. Just using quite the low heat, just in case. It should go pretty quickly. A little bit of pepper and some salt. Oh, yep, it's burning to the bottom of this pot. This is not the greatest. Just a touch of water. Ah! This was not planned. I don't need much, only a little bit to boil it up. Can't open the package. Here we go. Oatmeal in. And this, ladies and gents, is my morning feast. Although it's definitely not morning anymore. It's quite noon, but I'm on vacation, so time is irrelevant for me. I'm taking a lot of ants with me back home. They're literally everywhere. Like, all my bags are full of ants. My tent was full of ants. Probably my car is full of ants right now. It's crazy. If you made it till the end, thank you for watching. I had an awesome time. I will definitely do that again. I don't know when, but I sure will. Summer is still ahead and a lot of good times coming, so have a great day. See you next time. Peace out.